Imagine this. You're endlessly scrolling through your social media, drowning in a waterfall of short-form videos. Each one offers a fleeting burst of excitement, leaving you hungry for the next. Amid this whirlwind of digital noise, have you ever stopped to consider the toll it's taking on your ability to stay productive? What if I told you that boredom can actually cure your dopamine addiction? Make sure to watch until the end. The truth about boredom might surprise you. Your brain is designed to crave new things and constant excitement, and the internet floods you with these temptations constantly. From the rapid-fire clips of YouTube Shorts and TikTok to the instantly gratifying purchases on mobile games, your attention is shattered into fragments, constantly dragged from one source to another. This relentless quest for the next digital high traps you in a vicious cycle of distraction and delay, robbing you of your capacity to concentrate on the tasks that matter most. All the time, I see families at restaurants completely ignoring each other, or parents handing tablets to their kids to keep them quiet. After a few minutes of conversation, the craving for dopamine settles in and the phones come out. So, what's the secret to breaking this cycle and reclaiming your focus? The answer isn't a total dopamine detox, which you might have heard as a popular solution. Sure, breaking away from the constant distraction can help, but it doesn't teach you how to deal with this or provide a permanent fix. Given that technology is woven into the fabric of our lives, completely disconnecting isn't just impractical, it's nearly impossible. Instead, the solution lies in mastering the art of boredom. By dialing back your need for constant stimulation and teaching your mind to find satisfaction in simpler things, you can boost your productivity and sharpen your focus. But how exactly do you achieve this? It begins with a critical look at your daily habits and establishing a hierarchy of fun. Take a moment to list your regular activities, ranking them by how stimulating they are. Now, be ruthless with yourself and strike through those high stimulation distractions that overshadow the tasks you need to prioritize. Discipline and willpower are crucial, yes, but by eliminating the lure of these high stimulation activities, it becomes much simpler to maintain our focus. Try and think of how people kept themselves occupied before all of this existed. You don't always have to be staring at a screen to get the dopamine you are searching for. You might find that reading a good book, taking on a new and creative hobby, or even just spending time in nature with your pets or a close friend can provide a level of dopamine you didn't think existed. Boredom isn't the villain in this story. On the contrary, it's a powerful ally, a superpower that's just waiting to be unlocked. By learning to value moments of stillness and quiet, we open the door to enhanced creativity, concentration, and productivity like never before. So, the next time you're tempted to grab your phone or give in to distraction, pause and consider the potent force of boredom. This isn't about stripping away all your fun. It's about reshaping what fun means to you, broadening your pool of interests, and transforming it into a tool that fosters your growth and productivity. And that's a wrap on today's dive into the power of boredom. If you found this video enlightening, don't just sit there overthinking it. Hit that like button. If you're an experienced overthinker like me, and you want to keep unraveling the mysteries of our minds together, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.